I just wanted to show off some estate sale finds. I got this cute elf wind-up, plays music. His head moves a little bit, not too much. Got Linus there with his little blankie. And this ceramic Christmas tree. There's the base for it. It came with a couple of those. Missing the star, and it has a little chip on the top. Hoping maybe I could fix that. That pin is very interesting. I have to do some research on that. And these two necklaces were wrapped around the Christmas tree. Look like glass beads. They're kind of heavy, like good stuff, maybe old. And there's two pearl necklaces wrapped around this tree also. Alright, thanks for watching.